guys, my name is Vivian from the ThePaperLetterBlog, and today we're going to open the Papierre stationery / letter writing paper set of February 2020. Now, first of all, welcome. If you're new to my videos, I make pen pal videos twice a week, and then I receive this little pack of letter writing paper every month, and I always open it here with you guys on camera. So we're gonna do that. Before I start, as always, I want to mention, okay, first of all, I have a band-aid here because I fell off my bike. Don't ask me. I fell off my bike and I kind of scraped my skin, and it's definitely not as bad as this band-aid's looking, but it just annoys me that my sweater keeps scraping my skin, so I just put a band-aid on it. Nothing to worry about, I'm just a little bit clumsy sometimes. But what I always mention at the beginning of these videos is that I did receive this pack for free. They sent me this pack for free every month simply because I review them on camera. I received this pack for free, but I do not get compensated for saying anything or for doing anything or for promoting them in any way. And as always, while I do receive this pack for free, all opinions are my own. If I love a design, you will know it. If I don't like it so much, you will also know it. That is just the way I like to do my videos. It's always been that way, and if it ever changes, I'll let you know as well. If I ever do sell my soul, I am like 99% sure that is never gonna happen. 99.9% sure that I'm always going to have my own opinion about things, but yeah, that is important for me to say. That being said, if you do end up subscribing to Le Papierre, because let's be honest, receiving writing paper in the mail every month is pretty exciting, don't forget to mention that I sent you. Once again, I do not get compensated for that. It's just a nice way for them to know how effective or the effect my videos have. Like, if no one signs up anymore through my videos, I'm pretty sure they're going to stop sending me these. So be sure to let them know that I send you if you sign up. Now, I do not know any spoilers, which is also great about Le Papierre. It truly is a surprise each month, but they always send out their themes a little bit early, so I don't know if this month will have a theme. I cannot think of anything that is happening in March or April. It's almost Easter, I would say, so maybe we have a little spring theme going, but I'm just gonna open it up and we will see. We have their website, extraordinarypenpals.com. We have their little note. It's still winter here in Canada, but we're already dreaming of spring. Yay! I hope it's spring themed. Oh my god, I can see a little bunny. And then, oh, that's so cute. I have a little picture of their dog, Z. Adorable. And then I can already see the first design, which is a little bunny. I don't know, it's not necessarily an Easter bunny. There's the opening. It's not necessarily like an Easter bunny, but it could definitely be used for Easter. But then it also has an adorable little mail bag. That is so cute. I love anything mail themed because duh, snail mail and everything. But that is the first design. It has, okay, I don't want to spoil the rest of the pack, so I'm just gonna hold it like that. It has like a faint brownish design on the back, in the background, with some spots. I hope you can see that, but the main part is obviously the little bunny with the mail. And then the matching envelope. Oh, cute. Please deliver to. I love that font. And then the bunny again with the, how would you describe this? It almost looks like cardboard, cardstock, the background. That is really, really nice. What I like about this is that it could be used for Easter, but it would also be very cute throughout the year. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that I always get the 24 sheet pack. You get 6 different designs, so I get 4 of each, and then they throw in the envelope as a little extra for me as well. You can choose to either go with only the letter writing paper, or you can get 1 or 2 or more envelopes with that as well. But this is perfect for me because my letters are usually quite long. I think I would need 4 papers to a ratio of 1 envelope. But you can choose whichever ratio you like. You can get more papers, less papers, more envelopes, less envelopes, blah blah blah. The next one is also very adorable. It's like a little bit, is whimsical the right word? I don't know, it's like magical. It's like, I love it. It reminds me of a forest. You have something that looks like faint trees in the background and then a little house with some mushrooms. Definitely mystical. That is definitely my style. Absolutely adorable. And then of course some botanical, like some ferns and some leaves at the top of that, which I quite like as well. That is for sure going in my stash. And we have that. Oh, that is not the matching envelope. This is the matching envelope. This is the matching envelope. We have the matching envelope with the little house and the little leaves on the back. Next up is a little mismatching socks design. In comparison to like the calmer colors, this is very bright, but still I quite like that. I have one pen pal, this is very random, I have one pen pal who loves like the mismatched socks design, because I also have a paper from Pink Paisley that has like the different socks, and she likes that so much. I'm definitely going to use this for a letter to her. And I also quite like the little ombre effect with the rainbow colors. Cute little socks. Cannot really go wrong with socks. I mean, I'm a big fan of socks. Whenever someone sends me socks in my PO box, my day is made. So yeah, this is definitely something I'm going to use. Then the envelope also has that pretty little ombre effect with a, how do you call that? Like an envelope, not an envelope, like an address label kind of, and some more of those cute little socks. Should I flip it over? Maybe not. We're gonna spoil. Ooh, cute. We have a little girl. A little girl with a lot of books. Although I'm not usually a fan of like people on stationery, you cannot actually see the girl because she's holding so many books and there's a cactus on top. So I don't know, I think I will use this myself, although I end up saving everything for myself and I have a huge stack of letter writing paper, so I might have to start giving some away. But that is quite cute, and then the background also has a faint design on it as well. The lip is there. Yeah, it's pretty simple, but I don't really like simple designs. Quite cute. Quite cute. And then the next design. Oh, a little llama. Oh my god, that is actually adorable. I normally would never buy something with a llama on it, but this, I have to admit, is quite cute. And what I also like is that the colors kind of match the one from the sock design. So you could mix and match these nicely. And I also know that llamas are very, very, very popular in the snail mail community. Even more popular than unicorns. So even if I do not end up using it, I know some people are going to love that. Plus, once again, I love the rainbow ombre look. Let me find the little envelope. Cute. That is cute. Can you imagine like finding this in your mailbox? Instant happiness. Instant happiness. And then, last but not least, butterflies! Oh my god, yes, I love butterflies. That makes me very happy. You all know how much I love butterflies. And what I also like is that it has, once again, a little bit more calm, almost mature look. Like it's, I mean, I love the bright and colorful ones, but these are perfect for any type of mail, any person you would be sending mail to. which I really like. It would also be quite nice to write on this paper with a purple pen or something. I have a fountain pen with purple ink, which is absolutely gorgeous. I think that would look really nice. So basically, long story short, I actually like all of the designs. That has gotta be, is that a first? I don't know, is that a first? It might actually be a first. In terms of favorites, let me know which ones are your favorites. Do you like all of them like I do, or is there a design you like a little bit less? This one I like the least, but actually all of the other ones are really close to like my personal style. My favorite design is gonna be, it depends on my mood probably, but it's either the bunny or the house, or the socks or the butterflies. Okay, no, I cannot actually pick. I think if I could pick just one, I would probably go for this one because of the calmer colors and the fact that probably everyone will love this. But like I said, I have to say I quite like all of the designs. So that is it for this La Papierre unboxing. As always, let me know your thoughts and everything in the comments down below. You can find all of the information in the description box, including my Twitch account, my Instagram account, where you can find much more pictures and you can stay up to date on my personal life, and my cats, of course. Don't forget to also follow my YouTube channel if you do not do that already, because I upload pen pal with me type videos twice a week. Yay! And yeah, I guess I'm seeing you very soon again. Keep an eye out on my channel. Many exciting things coming up soon. I'm also now going to open some more PO box mail, so keep an eye out for that as well. Okie dokie, I hope you have an amazing day and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye, say hi to your cats from me.